Hello everybody. During several weekends I tried to make a good video about fishing and hunting, but nothing really significant happens with me. Here, for example, is one of Saturdays. I tried fishing on the fjord from my boat. By the way, I'm very satisfied with my boat, as well as the motor from the screwdriver what I have made also. If you are interested, you can check my channel and see that video about building of the boat and the motor. As you can see, I tried to catch fish that way, I tried to catch that way, and as a result, no way. Ice, ice, baby. Here you can see another weekend, another place. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather, beautiful clear eyes. There was clear eyes. Because we tried to catch a fish, but catching fish is not just like that. So, but in general, again, there is no fish there. Another weekend, another trip to the fjord, another attempt to catch a fish, today bite fish. Last year there was quite successful. You can even see my video report number 13 about that. But looking at your neighbors, you can make a conclusion. Yeah, there are fish, but you just have to know how to catch them. Yeah, there are fish, but not in my house. Not today. Not for me. Yeah, no. Hey, there is no luck with the fishing, so I go hunting. Fresh snow just has fallen and there should be hair tracks everywhere. But ain't nobody's tracks if I'm going. Yeah, the snow was just too fresh and only stopped in the morning to fall. So nothing. All the hares are sleeping under the fir trees. Only in one place a marten crossed my way. Again nothing. Here in one place I can see the black grouse sitting on the trees about 300 meters from me.
There,
Not so close, not so
two
close.
pieces sitting on top of the tree. Hmm. About 300 meters. 15 minutes.
So in general, I walked around, I breathed in some fresh air, and I had a great rest. So the only I can wish you the same for all of you. I wish you the same for all of you guys. Well, what can I say? It's not every time that you get your hands on the spoils. This is where I will finish my report about my walk. So, bye everyone. See you soon.